Hello, my friends. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to day 4 of our 30 days logo design challenge, right? Where I design logos for brands in 30 days, right? So, I will show you how I was able to come up with this particular logo inside of this video. So, if this is something you want to join me along, make sure first you are subscribed and turn on post notification so that you miss any videos I'll be dropping in these 30 days. Without having to say much, let's get started. So the first thing I like to do here is I click on File and I'm going to click on New like this. So it's going to bring this page up like we all know. I'm going to use this size and resolution stays at 300. Resolution stays at 300 and I'm going to click OK like this, right? So I have this my page, so you can double click to create a rectangle. But I'm just going to go straight to doing this. I can do this later on. And I'm just going to hold down Control where I drawing the circle like this so that you have a perfect circle. Right? P to center it to the page. So what you want to do now is go over to your pen tool and hold down Shift so that you have a straight line. From the top here, when you get to the bottom, double click to release the line. So you have a straight line like this. I'm going over to create some horizontal lines. I'm going to start here. So from this point here to this point, double click. And I'm also going to be having some lines here. So I'm going to start here from this point here. When I get to this point, double click like this. Right, double click. So what I'm going to do is with my selection tool, I'm just going to move this down a little bit, just like this. All right. So I developed this logo with the letter Z because the company's name, the initial name starts from Z as Z. So I'm just going to highlight all of this, and so basically what I want to form here is the letter Z as the initial for the company, right? So I'm just going to go over to my smart view, click here, and also click here, right? So with this done, what I'm going to do is go back to my selection to this selected, hold down Shift and select this, bring it outside, or you can do this inside, weld this so it becomes one shape. I'm just going to reduce it from this part here like this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and give it a color first, right? So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and duplicate this. Click on this and click on this to give you this. Move it closer a little bit, hold down Shift, select the two of them, and weld the two of them together like this. Okay? Click on this and you want to delete this. Click on this and click on P to center to page. Okay? So you have our nice Z crafted into a logo, right? So this is a Z shape for the initials. So I'm just going to go on and type the name of the company. So it's ZESTRONIC Network. So I'm just going to have this here and reduce this a bit, put it here, and ZESTRONIC, not Nix, ZESTRONIC. And I'm going to make this bold with the font that I used. Reduce the space in between text with your shape tool. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to bring this downward like this, and I'm just going to use this to type networks like this, and I'm going to reduce the size like this, reduce the size, and with my shape tool I'm just going to create space in between the letters. I'm going to reduce the size again, and with the shape tool I'm going to expand this furthermore like this, right? So ZESTRONIC Networks. Okay, move this upward like this, and you have your logo already. So I'm just going to go on to show you how I start the process of creating my brand identity with just 2 pages. So with this, I'm just going to create a new page, right? And what I'm going to do here is double click on the rectangle for the page 2, and I'm going to use the color I used here, fill the rectangle, of course remove the outline, and I'm going to copy this logo here, highlight everything, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste this here. I'm going to give it a white color like this. And so this is like the white variant of the logo. And I'm also just going to create, could also be like monochrome on the blue background. So I'm just going to also create another page, right? So I'm going to create another page. Remove the outline for this. I fill this with white. That's what I just did. So I'm going to create another page. Click on this plus icon and select this logo here, this one. Ctrl C, come here, and Ctrl V to paste this here. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to do now we had the horizontal version of the logo. I'm just going to have the vertical version of this logo, right? So with the Z on top and the ZESTRONIC under it like this, right? So make this smaller like this. Make sure you have good space in between the two of them. All right. So increase this a bit or you decrease based on how you want it. It depends on you. Just make sure you have good space in between the icon and also the text. Okay, so Ctrl G and press P on your page to centralize it. And this is what you have. All right. So you have a good start to create your brand identity. I don't want to make this video lengthy, so you can go on and develop something good out of this. So what I want to do now is creating the app icons. So I can just do this too, and I can use this as my secondary color, right? And remove the outline, right? So I'm just going to copy this, make it smaller, and I'm positioning this here in the center like this. I'm just going to duplicate this and position this somewhere here. So Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste. I'm just going to do that again. Ctrl C and Ctrl. So copy and paste. And I'm just going to give this white, right? So these are my app icons. Remove the outline from this one too. And there you have it. You have your logo and you have your app. And you have your app icon ready. So I'm just going to dissolve that cyan. I'm just going to mix it. And this is the color that I have. All right, guys, this is how I was able to create this on my day 4. And if you've liked this video, please do not pass without giving it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend these videos to people that actually need it, like yourself. All right. Till then, I'll see you in the next video just up above. Ciao.